Hey guys, we're outside, as you can see.
It's so
freaking raining.
It's freezing rain. It is actually.
And I hope it... Dude, look at my hair. Stick it up in many different ways.
Bro, look at my hair.
Look at this kid. He stuck it down in a puddle on the ground.
Yeah, so did you.
Yeah, so did I. But, yeah. And we are just walking outside. My hair's so freaking long. I need a freaking haircut, dude.
I don't want it. Bro!
All the way down to here. Freaking all the way down to here.
I can see my
That's how you know my hair is long.
I see my hair.
And
You can't really tell.
you can tell it's raining because it's dark outside. That sky though. It looks like there's a rainbow about right there in my view.
It's raining. It's coming down.
And there's Corbin's old house. Well, still house.
Yeah, he's over
Dude,
there.
stick your head down there. Right there. See if this kid will actually do it. Dude, he did. He did. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. Dude, right here. Right here. Let's go find a big puddle. Oh, shoot. Down here, boy.
Oh,
Not a puddle, though.
no, that one. This one is deep.
That one's not as deep.
I'm out. It got my mouth.
Let's go. I don't know what I look like right now,
Bro,
but
look
dude,
at my face.
you wiping his face down.
Yeah.
You got some boogers hanging out. No, really. You do. Here, this side. Dude, I don't want my phone to break, so I gotta hide it. Just like this.
Ever since bro, look at my hair.
Bro, look at this. Whoop. Look at this. Whoop. Whoop. I don't know what I look like when I did that. Here, do that. Whoop. Whoop.